Okay, so today we're gonna learn about order of operations, and the question's gonna be, why does it matter? Because you have to solve things in a certain order. Okay, solve it in a certain order, and so why does that matter? And in order to show why that matters, we're gonna look at these two different problems. Can someone read number one, the first one for me? If you would just go ahead and raise your hand if you'd like to read.
You hear that?
Oh, go ahead, Princess.
Jimmy wanted to buy a game. His mother paid him $5 each time. He babysat his brother. He babysat twice that month, and $15 for mowing the yard. How much money did he earn?
So we have he babysat his brother twice, right? So that's 2 times 5 plus 15. So can someone tell me how much he made?
10, and they add in
25.
25? So he got $5 twice, and then he got 15. So that's $25. All right, $25. Can someone else read the second one? Just start reading it. It's fine.
Jimmy wanted to buy a game.
Go ahead.
His mother said she would pay him only if he emptied the dishwasher for $5, and he mowed the yard for $15. He did both of those chores twice that month. How much money did he earn?
So this is the same, right? 2 times 5 plus 15. However, did he only make $25? Is that right? Let's add it up. Who'd like to go? Jayla. So your mom gave you $5 for the dishwasher and $15 for the lawn, and you did both twice. You did both of them twice. So how much money did you earn? What if I did this?
Yes, $40.
Yeah, right? We want to do add the 5 and the 15 first, right? And then you get $40, right? So it's the same numbers in the same order written down, but if we solve them in a different order, it changes the amount. Would you rather get $40 or $25? Craig, would you rather get 40 or 25?
I'll take 40. Add them up. That's 65 right there.
Or you like both of them, but you know what I mean? So the order matters in, the order matters. So now let me pull up one more. There we go.
Price.
So can you see where it says PEDMDAS? You remember that from our song we just watched? We are going to do parentheses first, then exponents. We don't do exponents in the fifth grade, so we'll just skip those. It's good to know about it. And then we're going to do multiply or divide, and then add or subtract. That's the order we go in. So if we look, if we look at the order of operations, we can see for this one, we have 36 minus 7 times, in parentheses, 2 plus 3 plus 8. And I can look at that and say, well, my first step is going to be parentheses, right? And so I'm going to solve 2 plus 3 first because it's in parentheses. And then I solve that. What's 2 plus 3, Alicia?
2 plus 3?
Yeah.
5.
Right. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I solve that, and then I'm going to rewrite. I'm going to put, instead of 2 plus 3, I'm just going to put a 5 in there. So now I have 36 minus 7 times 5 plus 8. And then do I have any more? So this is my new expression now. So Jasmine, are there any parentheses in there? Do you see any parentheses? Yes or no? Right here on this. Parentheses.
Yes.
Where?
Oh wait, no. No.
No, right? Good. So what next would be multiply or divide. So do you see any multiplication or division, Andrew?
Yeah.
7 times 5, right? So I'll do 7 times 5 next. What's 7 times 5, Andrew?
35.
So now we're going to rewrite 36. And so I'm going to replace 7 times 5 with 35. 36 minus 35 plus 8, right? Then what's next? There's no more multiply or divide. So we're going to add or subtract. If I can get back up here. We're going to, we did all the parentheses. We did all the multiplication and division. And now it's add or subtract, left to right. So Alea, what do I do next? It's add or subtract, left to right. Do I want to do 36 minus 35 or 35 plus 8?
30 minus 35 equal 1.
Yep, so I did 36 minus 35 because add and subtract, left to right is next. The answer is 1.
1.
Then I'm just going to rewrite 1 plus 8. So I replace that with 1 plus 8. I can hear you. David, why don't you try? What's left?
1 plus 8.
Very good, sir. And so what's 1 plus 8? It's the only one that's left. What's 1 plus 8?
9.
9. So this is what we're going to do in our independent work today. We're going to have an expression like this, and you're going to follow all the steps, and you're going to explain each step on how you do it. Let's take a look at it together, and we'll do some of it together. All right?